morning, everybody. I've been working on half the century egg. This is look my best friends to like my face right now. So to do this with one hand, I'll show you the. So I'm here to buy from nighttime eating to hang them to dry because. Good morning, everybody. It's 5:30 a.m. I woke up at 5. This is how it looks like at 5:30 in the morning. Still a lot of lights going on. I just did like my sinus rinse. The sinus issue is annoying. But anyway, I'm gonna get working. I'm gonna start working. I've been working so much. It's crazy. Hope everyone is doing well. This is Milo. I think these brushes are dry. I hope they are dry. I think these brushes are dry because I left the fan on. Yeah, it should be dry. Oh my god, you guys, I've been working so much, and just now I took a nap. I woke up so hungry because I didn't eat anything, so I'm gonna have this apple right here. I just threw in yesterday's rice. I'm making hot water because I need coffee badly. I'm too tired. Soy sauce. Oyster sauce. Added the century egg. Coffee. Done. This is my version of fried rice with broccolis, century egg, chicken, spinach. I'm so tired, you guys. I'm tired and I'm so hungry. Anybody who thinks that being a YouTuber is easy, it is not. How does this look? Would you eat this? Perfect combination. Coffee and fried rice. Time for all my vitamins. Too many. Too many to take. Time for another apple. I just remembered that I have this passport holder that one of my best friends gave me. I'm gonna use it now. I just put my passport inside. So sweet of her. She engraved my name on it. She's like one friend who gives like really thoughtful gifts. It comes with this pouch. I've got all these different currencies that I can't use because I'm not traveling anymore. And I can't change it back to like Malaysian ringgit because some of it, like, they don't accept it. Maybe it's too little, or it's like the currency at Trinidad and Tobago, like I still have them. They're not, nobody wants to change it for me, so I guess I'll just keep it. I'm gonna take my shower now. I feel so like sluggish because I had to deal with some like paperwork, text stuff just now, and these things are like so draining. I have a mask on my face right now, so I can't really speak properly. I just thought of showing you guys the view. Look at the Twin Towers and the KL Tower. Good morning, everybody. It's 6:29 a.m. Woke up slightly late last night. That's because woke up slightly late this morning. It's obvious I just woke up. I'm gonna take a collagen. So I didn't take them last night. Oh, this is halal. It's not sponsored, yeah. Special selected from the best for your modern lifestyle nutritional needs. Okay. Take this one. The water is already ready. Done. Look at the view. Oh my gosh, look at the view. So I started cooking. There's broccoli here, mushrooms, chicken, cabbage. Yeah, I'm just cooking these first. And then decide if I want to make rice or noodles to go with this. This is cooking and make my coffee. So the vegetables and the chicken is ready, and I think I'm going to make noodles. And it's gonna be this one, Shin Ramen stir fry. The one that I got from the cold storage. If you guys haven't seen my grocery shopping, go ahead and check it out. Check out that vlog. Okay, let's go check the food. Boiling. Just put the ramen in. This one actually cooks like really fast. Depends on the noodles. Some cook really fast. Some cook like you need to cook a little longer. It's just like harder or something. See? Like it literally took me 2 minutes. But the water has to be boiling first, you know. And like I taught my boyfriend not to put the noodles in until the water is like piping hot, boiling. Else your noodles will be really, really soggy. I strained the water and left like some. put all of these in now. Put all the sauce, powder, all the ingredients in. You know what, guys? One of the reasons why, I have a lot of fun vlogging for sure, but also I really want to document my life because people always assume a lot of things about me, and they don't have to assume anymore. And all kinds of like crazy story came out of nowhere that never ever happened before, ever. Like, people are just weird. So okay, so it's pretty even. You can see the noodles are a little wet still. That's when you put in all your vegetables. Pretty hard to do this with one hand, but I'll show you the result. There you go. Done. Let's go to the balcony and eat. The sun is out, but it's not the hot sun, it's the morning sun. Does this look good? Would you eat this? Almost forgot my coffee. Okay guys, I'm here to buy laundry detergent. I think I'm gonna get this one because it says 99.9% antivirus. I also need to get face tissues. Maybe this one. I just came back from picking up my package from the management office. I bought this to wash my clothes. Ran out of face tissues. And what else? Grapes. These grapes are really sweet. And I also went to the pharmacy. Difflam running out. So good for like sore throat. Zyrtec. I should have gotten two. Why did I just get one? Since I take them every single day. That's it. Snack time. Eating these grapes. I went to do laundry just now. I did so many things, but so now I just want to chill and eat these grapes. Okay, you guys, I got some laundry done today. Something that I love to put off. I prefer to hang them to dry because if I dry it in the dryer, it will destroy the clothes. Today I did so much work. It's crazy. But and I'm gonna work some more. Oh, and I did something else. If you look at these tarot cards, they're not organized. That's because I was moving the table. I'm gonna organize it after this. I moved the table away so I could put the non-slip under the rug. Yeah.